Stool exam, enough na nga ba to detect parasitism? The answer is a big no. Napakataas so ng false negative result in fecalysis, and it is only eggs of parasite in the digestive system that will come out in the stool, and eggs of parasite in other parts of the body will not come out in the stool. Yes guys, you heard it right. It is possible to have parasite and eggs of parasite in other parts of the body, like the brain, the eyes, the heart, the lungs, the liver, the joints, and other parts of the body. And if the medical technologies did not mix properly the stool sample, still it will become a false negative result. And actually, 92 to 95% of people are contaminated with parasitism. So all of us should undergo deworming and detoxification program, ideally every 3 months. And this is Dr. Irene Lim. Prevention is better than cure, and health is the best investment.